Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did turn up pretty strong, and we definitely did hold above structure a little bit. Now, this could be a running flat, like I've been saying for a week or so, and if it is a running flat, a higher low is what we would expect to see before it actually continued back up. I'm not really 100% confident that that is the case. I mean, it still could just be a pullback to this last wave down, and it still could end up pushing down more. To me, it kind of does make sense for it to push down more, but we have to do what the market tells us, and right now, it definitely did break up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole last impulsive move down. If this is a complete trend reversal, then it will not break structure to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, but instead it will, make higher highs, higher lows, eventually giving us this break of structure, which would definitely confirm a turn on the daily. If it is a not a trend reversal, and this move up right here really is just a pullback, then likely we will go to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, break structure to the downside, and then most likely complete that flat pattern that I've been showing on the daily time frame. Definitely looks like it is trying to respect a 50% right here, but a break of structure or a double top and a break of structure is what's going to help confirm that it's going back down in a very significant way. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.